It's Tuesday morning. You're sipping your chai. Kids are getting ready for school. Everything feels normal. Then your phone buzzes. An email from the IRS. Subject line, Notice of Penalty. Unreported foreign financial account. Your heart stops. You scroll down. $16,536. You think this has to be a mistake. You never cheated anyone. You just had a savings account back home. Your mother's name was on it too. You honestly forgot about it. You never imagined America would care about a bank account in Pakistan or India or Nigeria or Mexico. But America does care. And right now, that account, the one you forgot existed, is about to destroy everything you've built here. Your green card, your citizenship application, your reputation, your savings, gone because of one account you never reported. Most immigrants in this situation do one of two things. They panic and do nothing, hoping it disappears. Or they panic and pay the fine without understanding their rights, sometimes paying more than they legally owe. You're not going to do either of those things, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact knowledge, the exact steps, and the exact words that could save you from a $16,000 penalty or worse. Stay with me. This is urgent. Let me tell you something the IRS is counting on you not knowing. They're counting on your silence. They're counting on the fact that nobody told you the rules, that you assumed, like most hardworking immigrants do, that your bank account back home is your private business, that what happens in Pakistan stays in Pakistan, that what you earn in India is between you and your family. That assumption is costing immigrants millions of dollars every year. Here's the trap, and it has 3 layers. Layer 1, the $10,000 misunderstanding. Most people hear 10,000 and they think, I don't have that much, I'm safe. Wrong. The rule isn't about how much money you have right now in one account. The rule is about the highest total balance across all your foreign accounts at any single moment during the entire year. Let me say that again, slowly. If you have 3 accounts back home, a savings account with 4,000, a checking account with 3,500, and a small insurance policy worth 3,000, that adds up to 10,500, even for one day, even in January, even if by December the accounts are empty. You were required to report, and if you didn't, the IRS already knows. Layer 2, artificial intelligence is watching. In 2026, the IRS didn't hire more agents. They did something smarter. They deployed artificial intelligence to cross-reference foreign banking data. Under a global agreement called FATCA, the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, banks in over 100 countries are now legally required to send your account information directly to the American government. Your bank in Lahore, your account in Mumbai, your savings in Lagos. They're all talking to the IRS right now without telling you. So when people say the IRS will never find out, they already found out. The IRS is just waiting to see if you'll tell the truth first. Layer 3, the citizenship killer. This is the one that scares me the most for you. If you're applying for Citizenship Form N-400, one of the requirements is something called good moral character. The immigration officer will ask you, have you ever failed to file a required tax return or report foreign accounts? If you hid a foreign account and never reported it, and you say no on that form, that's a federal lie under oath. That's not just a fine anymore. That can be grounds for permanent denial of your citizenship. In serious cases, it can even affect your green card. The trap isn't just financial. It's legal. It's immigration. It's your entire future in this country. And most immigrants walk right into it, not because they're dishonest, but because nobody warned them. I'm warning you right now. Let's talk about the laws, not to scare you, but to arm you. There are 2 main laws you need to understand. Think of them as 2 shields, but these shields only work if you use them correctly. Shield 1, FBAR, FinCEN Form 114. FBAR stands for Foreign Bank Account Report. It's filed through a system called FinCEN, the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. The rule is simple. If the combined total of all your foreign financial accounts cross $10,000 at any point during 2025, you must file FinCEN Form 114 by April 15, 2026. The good news? There's an automatic extension to October 15, 2026. You don't even have to ask for it. It's automatic. What counts as a foreign financial account? Almost everything. Savings accounts, checking accounts, joint accounts, even if your parent's name is on it, certain foreign insurance policies with cash value, mutual funds in foreign banks. What's the penalty if you miss it? If it was an honest mistake, what the law calls non-willful, the penalty can go up to $10,000 per violation. If the IRS believes you intentionally hid it, willful violation, the penalty jumps to $100,000 or 50% of the account balance, whichever is higher, and criminal charges become possible. But here's the shield inside the shield. If you come forward voluntarily before the IRS contacts you through a program called the Streamlined Filing Compliance Procedure, your penalties can be dramatically reduced. Sometimes to zero for people living abroad and around 5% for those living in the U.S. Coming forward first is always better than being caught. Shield 2. Form 8938, FATCA reporting. This one goes with your regular tax return, Form 1040. The thresholds are higher here. If you're single and living in the U.S., you must file Form 8938 if your foreign assets exceed $50,000 on the last day of the year or $75,000 at any point during the year. If you're married filing jointly, those limits are $100,000 and $150,000 respectively. What's the difference between FBAR and Form 8938? Think of it this way. FBAR is specifically about bank accounts. Form 8938 is broader. It includes foreign stocks, foreign business ownership interests, and foreign financial instruments. You might need to file both. They're not substitutes for each other. They work together. One more rule: worldwide income. If you're a green card holder or U.S. citizen, the IRS taxes your worldwide income. That means interest your Pakistani savings account earned, taxable in the U.S. Rent from your property in India, taxable in the U.S. Profits from a business partnership back home, taxable in the U.S. You may still owe taxes in your home country too, but the U.S. has tax treaties with many countries and a foreign tax credit that prevents you from being taxed twice on the same income. A good tax professional can use these tools to protect you. Okay, no more theory. Here's exactly what you do, step by step. Step 1. Do the math right now. Tonight, not tomorrow. Tonight. Sit down and list every financial account you have outside the United States. Savings accounts, checking accounts, joint accounts, insurance policies with cash value, any account where you're the owner or the signatory, meaning your name is on it, even if the money isn't yours. Now add up the highest balances these accounts reached during 2025 altogether at one moment. Did that number ever cross $10,000, even for one day? If yes, you need to file FBAR. Mark it in your calendar right now. Deadline, April 15, 2026. Auto extension, October 15, 2026. Step 2. Check the Form 8938 threshold. Look at the total value of all foreign assets. Not just accounts, but stocks, property interests, partnerships. Single, did it go above 50,000? Married, did it go above 100,000? If yes, Form 8938 goes with your tax return. Do not file your taxes without it. Step 3. Report your foreign income. Pull out your records. Did any foreign account earn interest in 2025? Did you receive rental income? Did a business back home pay you? That income needs to go on your U.S. tax return. Speak to a CPA who understands international tax law. Ask them specifically about the foreign tax credit, Form 1116, so you're not taxed twice. Step 4. If you're already late, act fast. If you missed previous years, do not hide. Do not hope. Act. Go to the IRS website and search for Streamlined Filing Compliance Procedure. This is the program designed for people who made honest mistakes. It allows you to correct past filings with significantly reduced or sometimes eliminated penalties. The key word is voluntarily. You must come forward before the IRS sends you a notice. Once they contact you first, this protection disappears. Step 5. If you're filing N400, Citizenship application, before you submit that form, consult an immigration attorney. Make sure your tax history is clean. Make sure all FBARs are filed. Make sure your foreign income is properly reported. The officer reviewing your application has access to IRS data. A mismatch between what you say and what the IRS knows is a red flag that can delay or deny your citizenship. Clean it up now before they find it. Write these down. Memorize them. 1. $10,000 combined, any moment file. 2. Come forward first, penalties drop dramatically. 3. Hidden accounts can kill your citizenship application. That's it. 3 rules. They could save you $16,000 or your entire future in this country. I want you to hear something clearly. Having a bank account in your home country does not make you a criminal. Sending money to your parents does not make you a criminal. Owning property back home does not make you a criminal. Not reporting it, that's the problem. And now you know the solution. The immigrants who get destroyed by these penalties are not bad people. They're good, hard-working people who simply didn't know the rules. The IRS doesn't care why you didn't know. They only care that you know now and that you act. So act. File your FBAR. Attach your Form 8938. Report your foreign income. Clean up past mistakes through the streamlined procedure if needed. And if you're on your citizenship journey, make sure your record is spotless before you walk into that interview. Knowledge is your legal shield, and now you have it. Now do one thing for me. Take this video and send it right now to one family member, one friend, one community group, someone who has accounts back home, someone who immigrated recently and might not know these rules. Because this information, it's free, but the penalty for not knowing it is $16,536 or more. Subscribe to Michael Visa Guide. Every week we put dangerous legal situations in front of you so you're never caught off guard. So you're always prepared. You work too hard to lose it over paperwork. We're here to make sure you don't.